Today I'm putting up my Christow greenhouse. I've been waiting for all the winds and things to go, and now I am ready. Going to be absolutely fantastic for seedlings. It's all in little parts. It comes together as a kit. You put it together yourself. I reckon maybe half an hour, tops 45 minutes. Let's get going and see how long it takes. There we go. I don't find it too overwhelming. There is a full instruction on the back here. It's going to be super easy to put together, just a little rack system. And I think it's going to be really fab. So stage one, I've done all like the side parts first because these are like shorty bits. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, you don't need the mallet or anything like that, just put a little bit of body weight. I'm going to flip them around and just push down on each corner just to make sure they're all clipped in. So when if you put it all together at the end, it's not all wobbly and the wrong sizes. Everything's in there really nice and firm. And then I'm going to do the arch on top before I to put all the sidey parts in. So I've now made 2 of these side panels, and the longer ruts are going to be coming out of each of these. So you've got longer ones to make the shelf. And again, just make sure you push them all in. And as you're doing it, just make sure all of your little holes are in the same direction, so you don't flip a panel around the wrong way, because you'd be annoying having to undo it all. So that's something to be mindful of. And you've got 2 identical ones. That's going to be the base there, and then you've got a rack for each shelf, and each shelf will be coming this way with a long rod in each corner. Super simple, and then there'll be an arc coming off the top there. Don't worry, it is super easy. Right, that's the one half of it done. So you've got your longer rods there. So the way you have it is you'd have 3 across, 3 across, 3 across, but not for the top level, because that's going to be like hooded, the extra spacey, roomy part. So you don't actually need a shelf for the top layer. And you got these rods here. There are 2 holes, and it goes in the top one. So if you're not sure where it goes there, and that's going to have it so that the shelf will lay across here when the other side is popped on. So I'm going to pop the other side on and fill out the frame. And that is most of the frame down there. All I did was to push it all into the little right holes and just put a little bit of body weight in to push it all in. And it is actually feeling really nice and solid. So I'm really chuffed with that. Next phase is to put the tops on, which are these like arches, to give it the arch top. And then it's the shelves. 2 minutes later, we've got that coming on there. Now for the shelves. Well, the clips are on, and now it's time for its dress. And there she is. The whole thing took like 25 minutes, if that. Obviously, I'm on my own. I didn't use one tool. I didn't need it. Just used my hands. There is a little thing on the side for scan this for a new replacement cover in case you have any issues with it. Sometimes, like, these things can split and crack and things like that. But mine looks absolutely fine. There is the inside. It's going to be absolutely cracking. Cannot wait to get my Tommies and my chillies in there. It feels really solid. Plastic feels like nice and thick. You've got these zips. You've got your ties to roll it up if you want to. Let's try that out. And there she is, all tied up. Lots of space there. Plenty of headroom for a tray, your seedlings. Obviously plenty of space for the water to pull through. I'll probably put a nice tray at the bottom, as I say, there with a couple of bricks in it just to catch water and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I think it's come out absolutely lovely.